Hello children, how are you all? I'm sure you're watching all the videos carefully. Let's observe this picture and write what is being done in each of the following. First one, the lady is pushing the car. So while she is pushing the car, she is moving the car. Second one, a chapati is being rolled. So, by rolling, he is changing the shape of the dough. And the player is kicking the ball. By kicking, she is either moving the ball or changing the direction or increasing the speed of the ball. And the last one, the man is pulling the table. Now when the man is pulling the table, he is moving it. Work is being done, and to do work, energy is used. If we were asked to make chapati without rolling pin, it would be difficult, isn't it? So today we will learn about all these things in our new chapter, force, energy and machines. Let's start with force and its types. What is force and how does force affect a body? A force is a push or pull on an object. It is exerted when two objects interact with each other. In our daily life, we exert a push or pull on various objects. Now this push or pull is called force. When we apply force on an object, we can move an object, stop a moving object, change the direction of a moving object, change the shape of an object, increase or decrease the speed of a moving object. Let's understand the effects of force with an example. Remember when you are playing with ball. If you push the ball, it starts to roll. That is, force can move an object. When the ball is in motion, it's moving, and if you push the ball against the motion of the ball, say it is moving to the right side and you try to push it towards left. So what happens? You can stop it. So force can stop a moving object. Third is when the ball is moving, and if you push it at an angle to the ball's motion, you can change the direction of its motion. Direction of the moving object is changed with force. And if you apply balanced force, which means equal force from both sides, you merely squeeze the ball. So with force you can change the shape of an object. Similarly, speed of a moving object can be increased or decreased by applying force. If the force is in the same direction as motion, speed of the object will increase. If the force is in opposite direction, the speed of the object will decrease. And so with this we understand, with force we can increase or decrease the speed of a moving object. There are many types of forces. such as frictional force, gravitational force, magnetic force, applied force, buoyant force, tension force, drag force, spring force, electrical force. But the two main types of forces that are always acting on a body are gravitational force and frictional force. And we'll be learning about these two forces in our chapter. Let's start with gravitational force. What is gravitational force? The force exerted by the earth due to which it pulls objects towards its center is called gravitational force or gravity. Our earth pulls everything towards itself. You all know, whatever we throw upward, it comes down, isn't it? Ripe fruits, dead leaves, and objects thrown upwards fall back to the earth due to gravity. Did you know who discovered gravitational force? The gravitational force was discovered by Isaac Newton. There is a famous story how gravitational force was discovered. One day, Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree and he was thinking as usual, and suddenly an apple fell on his head. So then he started thinking, why did the apple fall down? Why didn't it go upwards? This is how he discovered gravitational force. Let's investigate. Aim is to observe how the gravitational force acts. Materials required: a tennis ball. Procedure: you have to throw a ball upwards and observe what happens. Observation: the ball goes up and after some time it starts coming down on its own. Conclusion: the ball moves up when thrown and then gravity pulls the ball down. So, gravitational force pulls down the ball towards the earth. And with this, we can conclude that anything thrown upwards fall back to the earth due to gravity. The earth pulls everything towards itself. So today we have learned about force, its effects, and in types we have learned about gravitational force. So I'm sure you're enjoying all these. Keep watching all the videos regularly. Bye.